What's up? What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. Man, I messed up an intro, but I haven't made videos in a while, but I'm here. So what's up? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. Before we go any further, I don't want to talk about anything else. We're going to go straight into a word from our sponsor. Haley, who is our sponsor?
Jesus.
Jesus, thank you. This is 2 Corinthians 5:21. For he made him who knew no sin to be sin for us, that we might become the righteousness of God in him. Like, I just messed up. Like, I'm sure we cut it out. I might put it. Actually, I'll put it in there anyway because this goes pretty well. I messed up on an intro. I wasn't perfect, and I was about to say, "What's up, Super Dan the Shoe Man on YouTube?" I think that's what I was going to say. I don't know, but I was going to say, "What's up, Super Dan the Shoe Man?" And that just doesn't work. But how that ties into this again? I'm going to read it again. 2 Corinthians 5:21. For he made him who knew no sin to be sin for us, that we might become the righteousness of God in him. And what that tells me is that I don't have to be perfect, because when God looks at me, he sees the righteousness of himself through Christ when he looks down at us. And it's only because of what Christ did for us. It's Christ's perfection that he sees when he looks down, he looks at me. And so I don't have to be perfect, and I'm not going to be perfect, and I'm going to get things wrong pretty frequently. Haley, do I get things wrong sometimes?
Sometimes,
like in big ways, sometimes even?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes. But that's just going to happen.
Everyone
because,
does.
Huh?
Everyone does.
Yeah, because we're humans. And luckily, though, God sent Christ for us to be that righteousness for us. So thank you, Jesus, for handling my perfection for me and getting me to God. All right. You see, I've got a couple of Jordan 4s out here on the table. This is Miguel's. Thank you, Miguel, for letting me take a look at this shoe and making a video on it. You all have already seen that video. What?
I already read the box. I was wondering why you had the 4s out. I was like,
Because I have a 2 here.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know.
2 plus 2 equals 8. 4 and 4.
Yeah.
So this is the military black. I think this is being called the military blue. If not, it's midnight navy, because that's the color that's on the box, I believe. But big thanks to Miguel, midnight navy, because he let me borrow a couple of his shoes to make videos on. I got a couple new shoes here that I haven't unboxed yet that I need to unbox. And another one that's in the mail. So I haven't made video. Oh, I think another box right there that's not open. Huh. Tuck that away. I'm gonna forget about it. All right. But I got another box that's on the way. I haven't had like a stack of boxes like this to do reviews on for a while. And this is mainly though not because I've been getting a lot of shoes lately, but because I've been backed up on making videos. Because Trent's here, so we had a lot going on with him and getting him to doctor's visits.
Maybe we'll finally get some use out of those shoes up there. His feet are definitely this big.
He wore 2 of them already. I'm going to post one of those videos this week, our video on the way home.
I was saying like the real shoes, but I know he's not going to fit those for another year.
I'll make a video about the Itsy Bitsies, and y'all probably would have already seen that by the time you get this, because this is a late review, so I'm not really sure when I'm going to post this one. But this is the Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Black, Light Steel Gray, and White. Do you know which one this is, Haley?
No, it's not that, but it looks. I have a feeling it's going to look like that.
No, nothing like this. It looks nothing like either of these, other than the fact that it's a 4.
Then I don't.
This is known as the Black Canvas. And
are they black?
And yeah, that's the first color, black. So in all black box, we don't get a spatter box like the military blacks or the midnight navies, military blues, whatever those are called. And I think he's worn this.
Ooh! Oh my gosh, the red again.
Well, I'm not.
No, it doesn't look bad on it. Yeah, this looks a lot better.
So
but
Haley said that she really disliked this here, and I don't think I like the blue and the red together. I think she's
definitely
right about
not.
that. It's not like hideous, but it just seems out of place.
I think
this is much better.
I think part of the reason I don't like that is because it reminds me of the Braves, like.
Yeah, I think so.
No, not just but like the Braves merchandise we had at Foot Locker, and it was like so hard to like put on the thing right. It was so specific, and it's like giving me PTSD.
So I like the red on this because it gives you some bread, Jordan 4 bread vibes.
I really like
Jordan
those.
4 bread. Yeah, I like this a lot more than I thought I would. I'm not a big fan of canvas, but this is actually pretty nice canvas. Like, well, not nice. It's okay canvas, and this suede up here makes up for it. So if you watch this video, I'm not a huge fan of these 4s, but this one.
Oh, this is the suede. I was like, that's not right.
But this one's doing it. Yeah, this is all just canvas, and it's weird. It's not as firm as I thought it was. It is pretty rigid, but not terribly. So I do like the suede. A little hairier than the suede on the military blacks. What else can we say about this thing? We didn't say this about the
Midnight navy, military blue.
Oh, it's a little sticky in there. Oh, it's probably because Dream Cell. I think this is Dream Cell.
That's so floppy.
Yeah, I know. Dream Cell's meh, whatever. But at least it's not.
Ortholite.
At least it's not Orphalite. So
I took a wild guess on that.
I like these. I think I want these in there.
I think you want them for my size.
I heard Athlete's Foot might be maybe redropping these because Miguel ended up getting
Athlete's
these.
Foot?
That's what the place is called. Yeah.
Ew.
It's associated with Foot Locker. I'm surprised you didn't know that.
That's
It's
disgusting.
like owned by it's FLX.
Oh.
Flex. You know?
Yuck.
You know what
Why
Flex
would
is, right?
Yeah, I know.
So I'm really liking these. This might be the one that Miguel wore because it is laced just for Miguel. So I'm not gonna sniff this one.
Do it. Do it.
I really like this. This is a 10. Oh, this is a 10.5. I'm not sure how he got this one. He might have gotten it in memory lane, and he can comment down below and let us know where he got this one. But he said this is a 10.5 and it's too small for him, so he's got to go back and try to get an 11. I'll try to get an 11 and 2, and if Athlete's Foot redrops these, I still might try to get something like this. Is supposed to, or it looks kind of like the Carhartt M&M Jordan 4. Worth like 30 grand.
Oh, Eminem. Yeah, I watched a video about that.
The Carhartt Jordan 4?
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like this?
Mm.
It's similar.
Yeah.
I mean, and that makes sense, especially this
I thought it was blue,
this
though.
canvas material. It might be, but it's really dark.
Yeah.
But it's like canvas, you know, Carhartt's a rugged type outdoorsy thing, and canvas is would be good for that, kind of. But I'm digging these. These look good.
I'm digging these.
Digging them. Sweet.
Outdoorsy.
Extra
You're
sweet.
digging them?
In the vibes.
Mm-hmm.
This looks like the Zen Master color, which was another Jordan 4 that came out.
Does not at
recently.
all match the shoe, but it's
No, it
cute.
But this is the color. This is the colors of the outside of the box that was, or the outside of the shoe, the Jordan 4 Zen Master that I think only released overseas.
You know what I think they
Never
should have
saw it
done?
here. What?
They should have made the outside of the box look like the shoe, and then the inside of the box look like the inside of the shoe. They should have made the bottom look like the inside of that box.
The inside of the shoe.
Yeah, like the sole. You know, there's like black on the sole. I mean, not the sole, the insole.
This?
Yeah.
Like the inside of the shoe look. The box.
I
look
wish.
Like this?
Yeah. No. I wish. No. I wish that looked like that.
Oh, okay. That would be.
That would be
Yes,
cool. How
yes.
that was on the inside and then
Yeah.
the bottom. Yeah.
So I do normally like. I'm a fan of the way normally that Miguel ties his shoes. Oh, this is too much for me. It's
That's
too frilly.
Oh, too frilly. I was like, what? That's just normal lacing.
No, it's just
I get
too,
what you're saying. Yeah.
too poofy. But that's fine.
Getting too close to
To each his
Isaac.
own. Yeah. To each his own. I mean, I like that it's only like black and gray on the outside, but then I like the way that white Jumpman on the black pops.
Pops. Yeah.
I feel like they could have done something just for a little more pop here, a little more pop effect, like some mega pop. You know?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I like this one. All right, y'all. Let me know what you think about the black canvas. Are y'all digging this one? Is it just another like blah Jordan 4? We got so many Jordan 4s in just the last month or so. And
They need a pink one with some pink on it, light baby pink.
yeah.
I'm waiting for it.
But I think this is one of the better ones.
4?
And I didn't think I was gonna like this, but I like it.
I think you did think you were gonna like it.
No, I really didn't.
Well, you said, "Ooh, I'm excited to open this one."
Yeah, because I don't know why. Because I did want to
Yeah,
see it. No,
because
I did want to see
I
it.
don't know.
But it's because I thought I was going to dislike it. And it's a good looking one, but when you get up close, at least in videos and pictures and stuff, and you see the canvas, I was like, man, I don't know about all that. Might have to try this on. See if it fits me better than it fits Miguel. But y'all let me know what you think about this down below. Let me know if you think that they're going to redrop somewhere else, or if they have already redropped somewhere else by the time I post this video. And did y'all cop it? What number is this on the list of 4s for the year? I think this one's up there. I like this one better. I think I got that one. Oh, I must have got that one this year because I got
Trentland.
yeah, we didn't know about that last year. So. All right, smash that like button. Again, tell me what you think about these down below. Tell your grandma about the what is this called? Black Canvas Jordan 4. I'll see y'all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Cheers. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire!